Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make classic French toast. First, gather your ingredients. 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our delicious batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, incorporate the 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that small pinch of salt. Whisk everything thoroughly until it's perfectly smooth and ready for dipping.
If you're enjoying this quick and easy French toast guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, if you love reading while you cook or just relaxing, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Time to get cooking. Gently dip each slice of thick bread into your prepared batter, letting it soak for just a few seconds on each side. You want it saturated but not soggy. Place the dipped bread onto a lightly buttered, preheated griddle or non-stick pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Your French toast is ready. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. Get creative with your toppings. A dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, or a handful of fresh berries are always fantastic choices. You could also add a dollop of whipped cream or a side of crispy bacon for a complete breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.